Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and welcome to a review of the USI Electric 4-in-1 smoke and fire, carbon monoxide, and natural gas alarm. So yeah, here it is. Gotta adjust my camera. So yeah. Oops. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it is hardwired with battery backup, as you can see. The picture's there. The model is MDSCN111. Here's the bottom of the box and the back. If you want to read any of that, you can pause the video. But yeah, here's the other side. And it has some color codings here. So yeah. Here it is. So let's unbox it. So I'm gonna get it out of here. So when you unbox it, you get an instruction manual. You get the alarm, and you get the AC hardwire pigtail. So yeah, the alarm, you simply, here's the packaging, they have it. And a notification came up on my phone, which made the phone jump cut, which is not good. So yeah, here it is. There's what the mounting plate looks like. But yeah, here's the alarm. It's protected by this little white thing. So we'll take that off. And here's the alarm. It's got the LEDs, the horn, test button. I'll get it. Over, up. Done. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I'm back. Pardon the jump cuts. So, yeah. Here's the alarm. Now, how to open the battery is you simply do this. And you can see in there, there's the battery. And as you can see, when you do this, the lights come on. See that? Here's the mounting plate. There was this key in here and stuff like that, and these are for tamper-proofing it. So it has a black wire. I'll go ahead and twist these as well. But yeah, here they are. Here's a black wire, a white wire, and a yellow wire right there. And this is a adapter. To plug the adapter in, you simply wire it up, and then you have to, just snap it in the back like that. And to get it out, you just press these two little things here, and lift it off. So yeah, there it is. Here's this part. So now, for the moment we've been waiting for, I'm going to test it. So yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's smoke. And as you can see down there, that light, it's going to do CO now. And as you can see, the light in there, apparently natural gas is continuous. Cool. So, yeah, that is the unboxing and review of the USI Electric ionization, smoke, and fire, carbon monoxide, and natural gas alarm.